Welcome to our channel. If you want to purchase your first NFT on OpenSea using Ethereum, follow these step-by-step instructions to safely buy digital collectibles. Step 1. Set up a cryptocurrency wallet that supports NFTs, such as MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, or Rainbow. Download the browser extension or mobile app and create your wallet following the setup instructions. Step 2. Purchase Ethereum and transfer it to your wallet. You'll need enough ETH to cover both the NFT price and gas fees for the transaction. Gas fees vary based on network congestion. Step 3. Go to OpenSea.io in your web browser. Click Connect Wallet in the top right corner and select your wallet provider from the list. Approve the connection in your wallet. Step 4. Browse NFT collections or search for specific items using the search bar. You can filter by price, collection, category, and whether items are on auction or available for immediate purchase. Step 5. Click on an NFT you're interested in to view its details including price, rarity traits, previous sales history, and seller information. Research the collection thoroughly before buying. Step 6. Verify the collection is authentic by checking for the blue verification checkmark next to the collection name. This helps protect you from fake or copycat collections. Step 7. If the NFT has a Buy Now option, click it to initiate the purchase. Review the total cost, including the item price and estimated gas fee displayed before confirming. Step 8. Approve the transaction in your wallet pop-up. Once confirmed on the blockchain, the NFT will appear in your wallet and in your OpenSea profile under Collected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.